Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically apply a coupon on your site's payment forms. When offering a discount on your site, you can make the checkout experience even easier for your customers by automatically applying the discount code to their purchase for them. Before we begin, you'll want to make sure you've configured your payment settings with one of our payment integrations. For this tutorial, we're going to be using Stripe to process our payments. With that said, let's jump right in. After installing the WPForms plugin, we'll first want to install and activate the Coupons add-on. Go to WPForms, Add-ons, and find the Coupons add-on, then click Install and Activate. Once the add-on has been activated, let's first create our coupon code. From the left side menu, go to WPForms, then Payments, and then click on the Coupons tab, and then click on the Add New Coupon button at the top of the page. On the following page, you'll be able to configure the details of your coupon code. Create a name for your coupon in the Name field, and in the Code field, type in the code you want customers to use to receive discounts. If you want the add-on to create a code for you, click on the Generate Code button. In the Amount field, specify the amount of the discount. This can either be a percentage or a fixed amount. In the following two fields, you can also set a start and end date and time for your coupon if you'd like. Finally, you can specify the total number of times this coupon can be used overall. In the Allowed Forms field, specify which forms your coupon can be used on by clicking the toggle for it. If you haven't set up your form yet, you can still create the coupon, but you'll need to add it to your form while in the form builder in order for your customers to use it. When you're done, click the Save Coupon button. Our next step is to go into the form builder to create our form and add the coupon field to it, so let's head over there now. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Stripe payment form template as it already comes with most of the necessary fields we need for this purpose. Once the form is loaded into the form builder, let's add the coupon field to our form. Scroll down to the Payments field on the menu on the left and click and drag the coupon field onto your form, then click on it to reveal its settings. You can change the field's label and add a description if you'd like, but more importantly, find the allowed coupon setting and click on the drop-down. Doing so should show you the coupon we just created, so click on it to add it to this field. This enables this coupon to be used on this form. The next step is to enable payment for our payment gateway, which in this case is Stripe, and to set up how to automatically apply the discount to this form so users won't have to manually copy and paste the code into the coupon field. First, click on the Payments tab on the left, and then click on Stripe. Click on the toggle called Enable Stripe Payments, and configure the fields below for your payment. When you're done, click on the Settings tab on the left and click on the Advanced section at the bottom to open a few additional settings. Find the toggle called Enable Prefill by URL, and afterwards save your settings again and publish the form to your site. In order for the coupon code to be automatically added to the coupon field for your users, we'll need to modify our new form's URL. To do this, we're going to need the following three pieces of information: Form ID, Field ID, and the coupon code itself. Since we're already in the form builder, let's first find the field ID for our coupon field. Go back to your form, click on the coupon field, and on the left above the label field will be the field ID. Make note of this number, and the next piece of information we'll want to find is the form ID. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, then go to WPForms, All Forms, and on the All Forms table, find the column called Shortcode. In each shortcode is a number or a form ID. Take note of this number as well, and the last piece of information we'll need is the coupon code itself. If you don't remember the coupon code, go back to WPForms, Payments, then click on the Coupons tab. You should see the coupon we created earlier, along with the coupon code itself. Now that we have all three pieces of information, we're ready to modify the URL of our form to create a new URL that will auto-apply the coupon code on our form. This is the current URL for the payment form we just created. What we'll need to do is to add the three pieces of information we just collected to our URL in the following way. Once we've added our values into the URL, it should look like this. Now that you've set up your new URL, you can now send it to your customers via a newsletter, post it on a marketing platform or on social media to get people to click and take advantage of your discount. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to automatically apply a coupon on your payment forms. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. If you need any extra technical help, please visit our contact page and reach out to our support team.